It's 2 a.m., production is down. You SSH into the server, run commands from memory, paste in a Stack Overflow answer from 2021, and hope. In 2026, there's a better way to run servers, and it's probably not what you think. Let's talk about AI in DevOps. Here's what changed. 3 years ago, you ran one server. Now it's production, staging, a database, a cache, and background workers, often across 2 clouds. But your team didn't triple in size. So one person ends up memorizing every IP, every command, every config path. That's not expertise. It's a tax, and it quietly eats a full day of every engineer's week. So when people hear AI, in DevOps, they picture robots running their servers. That's the wrong picture. AI in DevOps doesn't replace engineers, it replaces the manual parts, the repetitive commands, the diagnostic guesswork, the constant tool switching. Think Copilot, not autopilot. You're still flying. The AI just handles the busy work. Here's how it actually works. You describe the problem in plain English. Why is my API returning 502 errors? The AI reads your server's live state, then writes the exact commands to fix it. But here's the part that matters. Every command comes labeled. What it does in plain English, whether it's safe. And it's type read, write, update, or delete, so you can see at a glance whether it just looks at the server or actually changes it. A green read, you approve instantly. A red delete, you read twice. Nothing runs until you click approve. That's the seatbelt. It's what makes AI safe on a production server, even if you're not a Linux expert. And the time it gives back is not small. Checking 3 servers by hand, 15 to 20 minutes. With AI, about 1. A deployment, 30 minutes down to 5. Debugging an incident, up to 90 minutes down to 10. Add up a normal day, and 2 hours of manual server work becomes around 15 minutes. That's roughly 80% of your day back. And it doesn't just make experts faster. It changes who can do the work at all. A front-end developer can debug a production error. A founder can ship a hotfix. A junior can resolve a 2 a.m. incident, not because they memorized Linux, but because the AI writes the command and they approve it. The only one person knows how problem disappears. Now the honest part. This isn't autonomous AI, and it shouldn't be. It doesn't replace your CI/CD pipeline, your monitoring platform, or Kubernetes. And the model matters. A tool that auto-runs commands without asking is a demo, not a production system. That's the line Warp auto-runs by default. A code assistant never touches your server at all. The 2026 standard is simple. AI suggests, a human approves, and your credentials stay on your machine. That's exactly what CtrlOps is built around. 3 things in one app. A directory of all your named servers, a workspace for files, monitoring, and deploys, and an AI terminal that writes commands labeled and explained and waits for your approval. Your keys never leave your machine local first, a ES256 encrypted. Bring your own AI key. $7 a month, unlimited servers. And this isn't just our pitch, it's what people are already saying. Developers who'd rather not touch the command line. Solo founders wearing the DevOps hat. And over, the same line, approve before execute is the thing that sold them. Real users, real servers, managed in plain English. Stop firefighting. Start shipping. Try CtrlOps free for 1 month, no credit card, link below, along with the full written breakdown. AI won't replace your judgment, it just gives you your week back.